Good morning, party people. So we're going to continue this week in my series of training with attractive friends of mine. So I got Mitch this week.
How are we, guys?
So today we're going to run through legs. This is going to be a quad focus session. I'm now onto a new set of programming, so this is going to be more of like hypertrophy work. So higher reps, not quite as heavy, but we're still going to be hurting by the end of it.
Big time.
Warming up right now though with some plyometrics. So we're doing some box jumps just to get everything moving, blood flowing, activated, and then we'll get into our real work. So let's jump. Get a secret to tell you. Okay, so one of the things we're working on here is hip displacement. What we mean by that is the position our hips are going from. It's not just like our feet landing, it's also our hips. So concentrating here on chest up, arms down, throwing them up. You can see when I get back, butt comes out, and then flex through. Almost like thrusting up into the movement, so my hips are driving me up and forwards. I'm looking far side of the box, so my feet aren't clipping the edges. Trying to land nice and flat in the middle. Just saying, I was like, I can't do that. He's like, do it. All right, we'll try. The beauty of these boxes is that they're soft, so they don't hurt the shins when I miss this. Although if I topple off the other side, it's not going to work. I'm going to leave it there so I don't break myself.
Yeah. I'm not even going to try that. Not at all.
We're going to start things off. Our first exercise here is Cossack squats. Now the reason we're going to do these is work on those adductors. That is the inside part of the quad here. Runs right down from the knee and then up to the top. I want to build nice thick drumsticks. That's what we're going to start on here. The beauty of doing these is you can do them without a weight and they're still pretty tough. We've got a 20 kilo kettlebell here. We're going to warm up with that. See if we can step up. For these ones, you can also notice that I'm really trying to keep my chest up for this one. This is a hip mobility thing, so if you're really struggling with hip mobility, try without weights. The whole thing to kind of focus on is keeping that chest upright the whole way through the movement so you're not tipping over. We're going for 6 on each leg on that one. We've talked about this before. I'm gonna put a belt on now, and the reason we wear a belt is to brace. The whole thing we're gonna be doing is pushing your core against that belt. It's gonna support your lower back, so it's gonna fill your whole body up, keep that pressure on the whole way through so you can drive through the quads. Tempo felt good, my face felt red, means I did it properly. So you can see Mitch is going in a slightly wider stance than I was. He doesn't have quite as good ankle mobility as I do, so we're going here for what's comfortable for him. No point putting your legs right together and then not being able to do the movement properly. Going through 3 sets of this. So we've done 1 set at the working weights, we've got 2 sets to go. All right, Mitch.
Yes.
Sissy squats? Sissy lunges.
Lunges.
Sissy lunges is what I meant to say there. I don't know why you heard squats. So the way these differ from a regular lunge is we're going really short stance here, down, and this is super quad dominant. In, up. We've got 20 kilos each hand, which is gonna be heavy. We'll go 8 up, 8 back. Yeah. Higher reps.
I was like, either I'm in Canada or you're feeling good.
Hey, we've come outside because we're both sweaty messes and it's a lot colder out here right now. So we're gonna go through and do some pistol squats now. I just realized I'm walking at you and you're trying to stay away from me. Come be my friend.
It's not wide enough.
Yeah, so we're gonna do some pistol squats here now. We've also got a box here. As we mentioned before in the squats, Mitch doesn't have the exact same mobility I does in his ankle as I does.
Very jealous.
No, I just can't talk.
Oh, I don't have the same mobility that Nath does through his ankle, so I'm gonna do him off the box.
So that just means he doesn't have to worry about getting down as far. So it's a good way of working up that strength without having to stress the mobility on his ankles. Whereas me, I've got no excuses, so I must do these. How many each leg?
8.
I was gonna say 5.
5.
5 is,
I like that.
5 is a good amount. I like that. Let's do that. So you can see here how Mitch is using that box to sit down on. What he's focusing on is trying to just like drop and sit down. He's lowering down to that position, then using the quads to drive up. Drive it up. This first one's so bad. For the last set, I thought I'd give myself a challenge here. I'm gonna do these on a Bose ball.
Don't look at me like that.
We'll both do these on a Bose ball.
Nath just likes to outshine me in everything that we do.
I can't be as handsome, so I have to be more daring. Shake the whole way through.
He's in the zone.
Oh. Alright, we need one more movement, like compound movement, and then calves. I'm gonna let you decide the last one we do.
I like a good hack squat. Yeah?
You're a bolder man than I. Yeah, alright, let's do it.
Yeah?
So you can see Mitch is going through and doing some standing calf raises in the Smith machine, but we're doing these single leg to start with. The reason we do them single leg is because you can get a deeper stretch on each leg than if you're doing both together. So we're going right down, and you can see here, he's driving up on the outside of the calf. Ready? Pushing out through this part here, all the way up through the motion. Gonna go through and get to 10 each leg. Then we go through and do another 5 doubles to finish. It sucks.
Just so disgusting.
Well done. That's it. We're done with that workout. Finite. Hey, make sure you guys have subscribed. If you want to see more fitness content, more training tips and tricks, boy do I got you covered. 2 videos a week, you'd be begging for it. We'll see you guys next week.